guys, welcome to Mama Africa's kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious boneless chicken breast in air fryer. So let's go, guys. Here are my chicken breasts. I have 4 pieces and we are going to use Montreal steak mix, black pepper, a little bit of cayenne pepper for the kick, salt, paprika, and we have our lime and garlic. That's it. So let me show you how to mix them, guys. Also, I forgot my olive oil. How can I forget the olive oil? We have to use a little bit of olive oil. So here is my olive oil. So first we are going to mix our spices first. So I'll start with just a 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper. We don't want it to be too hot, just a little kick. Not too hot. So that's good. Then I'm going to have a half a teaspoon of black pepper. Then half teaspoon of salt. And half a teaspoon of paprika. And my Montreal steak mix. This is my favorite. My favorite of it all. So we are going to mix it with olive oil. First I'll do my lime juice. It's live, guys. So I'll just use a half of lime juice. That's enough. Then we are going to use our garlic. I'm going to press my garlic. I think I need more. I like a lot of garlic. So I'll press this. This thing works like a charm, guys. This thing works really good. I just bought it and it's worth it. So that's good. Now I'm going to use my olive oil. I'm going to slice my chicken. That's it. I want my spices all in. That's why I'm slicing it like this, so the spices can go through. So that's it. Now I'll put my air fryer ready. So I'll put it at 390 for 20 minutes, and we'll add more time if they're not ready. Now we just put them in here. Add your spices. Just add my spices. Bring it this time. It's gonna be delicious, believe me. And I'm going to eat it with my salad. I want to be healthy today. Now it's ready. Ready, time to put them in. Our air fryer is ready. So I'm going to use 2 on each side. We'll put 2 at a time. There we go. Now we'll keep an eye on it. Welcome back, guys. Our cooking is done, and I have my summer salad ready. Put it off, and voila! Look at it. It's all done. Very well done. So this is it, guys, with my summer salad. It's yummy. So next time I'll show you how to make this salad. Very delicious. My cucumber tomato salad. So this is what I'm having for supper tonight. Look how beautiful, guys. Gorgeous. Just look at it. So thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share with your friends and family. Bye now. I'm ready to eat. I'm ready for my food. Bye for now.